basically there's zero case whatsoever. It's pure guilt by association plus guilt by ideology. They're guilty because of their beliefs, not because of anything they actually did. So what we're seeing overall here is the onset, and there's a third example I'll get to. This is Jewish ideology is replacing the clarity of Anglo-Saxon law. And ideology means you're guilty or you're not guilty, depending on the ideology. And the ideology is Jews are good, Jews are kings, Jews must be worshipped. Same with all the people, all the subgroups that work for them, black. And if you're white, if you're a white male, you're bad, your error, your behavior doesn't matter, your words don't matter. What matters is your category. So this is ideology, and Americans are coming to have this introduced to them, and slowly the dull-witted middle classes are awakening to the fact that because they always believe there's a right thing to do, and if you just do the right thing, you will get the right result. Well, that's not how Jewish ideology works. In Jewish ideology, the fact that you exist and you're white is proof of your guilt. And that's how the law is being interpreted. And we're at a point where they're almost able to flip the country into pure Soviet communist racialized thinking. Maybe it's a little different from the Soviet Union, but not fundamentally. It's fundamentally ideological. Now, in the Soviet Union, since it was mostly whites, it was more class. But here, where they managed to import tens and tens and tens of millions of discoloreds, well, now it's more of a overtly racial thing than a class thing. They've thrown away class. They're focused on race and, to a lesser extent, sex, which they call gender.